Hey, what's going on, everybody? I want to introduce you to a new product that we have launched on docs.tuxcare.com. It is the TuxCare Patcher for our JavaScript Endless Lifecycle Support solutions. So come over with me and check this out. All right, here we are in my Vue project. I am using Vue 2.7.16. This directly correlates with the solution that we have at TuxCare. And the way the patcher works is that it's automated. So you install the command, you run the command, and then it updates the dependencies for you instead of having to go back to our docs page, copy and pasting and going back and forth. So it's great DX, and it's a new way of doing things for us at TuxCare. So check it out. First things first, I'm going to delete the node modules in the package-lock file, and I'm also going to clean the npm cache. I have that command already in my terminal buffer. So we are going to run that real quick. All right, then you can see over here, we don't have a package lock file, we don't have a node modules folder. So that is exactly what we want. The next thing that we want to do is we want to install the patcher. And that is an npm command that we provide for you on our docs site. That is also in my buffer. So we are going to run the npm install-g command for that package. Awesome. So the tool has been installed globally, and now we can run the TuxCare Patcher command to update those dependencies in your project with our ELS solution. So I'm going to clear the terminal, and I am going to find the TuxCare patch.js command. I'm going to run that. Do I want to create a backup file for my package.json? No, that's okay. Do I want to run npm I? Sure do. Then we're going to run npm install. You can see up here that it was added to our package.json file, the ELS solution right here, as well as the overrides right down here. Now this is installing everything for node modules. It's going to install and create the package lock file, and you will be good to go. This updates your dependencies without having to copy and paste from our doc site, so I hope that helps you out.